Did you know life insurance with living benefits pays you almost immediately, sometimes the next day or within days after diagnosis? If you get sick, you can use the money to cover bills, mortgage, treatment, or just keep your family financially secure. Here are the most common illnesses that qualify. Terminal illnesses, life expectancy 12 to 24 months or less. Late stage cancer, end stage kidney, liver, heart, or lung disease, ALS, Lou Gehrig's disease. Example of chronic illnesses: can't perform 2 or more daily activities like bathing, eating, or dressing. Alzheimer's or dementia, stroke, aftermath, advanced arthritis, complication of diabetes, severe heart or lung disease. Here are examples of critical illnesses: sudden life-threatening diagnosis, heart attack, stroke, invasive cancer, kidney failure, dialysis, organ transplant, coronary bypass surgery, paralysis, blindness, or severe burns. If you get sick today, you can collect money tomorrow. No one has to die for the benefit to be paid. The chronic illnesses that I mentioned, those could be a result of an accident, like a car accident, or perhaps just falling from walking down the steps or anything. If you develop any chronic illnesses where you're unable to perform bathing, eating, or dressing, that qualifies you for the chronic illnesses. I hope this helps, guys. No one has to die to collect on these policies. These life insurance policies that are offered today, they come with living benefits, which means you can advance your living benefits while you're alive, so you can live a legacy, not only leave a legacy behind. If you're interested to learn more, please give me a call at 910-447-6508, or you can just text me or comment One Life on this post. My website is around this link. For those of you guys like to do it yourselves, just click on the website and answer simple questions, and you don't even have to have a conversation with anybody, and start your coverage today. Best of luck. Thank you for spending some time with me.
Medical bills are the #1 cause of bankruptcy, family fights, and even divorce. Protect yourself with life insurance that has living benefits and pays you today when illness or injury strikes. One accident, one illness, a lifetime of savings gone. Get coverage that pays you today so it never happens. Don't forget to scan the barcode to start today. Want to avoid expensive hospital bills and long-term care costs? A life insurance policy with living benefits can be helpful, and the ones I offer include them at no additional cost. Living benefits let you access money from your policy while you're still alive to cover serious illness, medical emergencies, and even long-term care, LTC, like assisted living. The money you receive can be used for anything you need, from daily expenses to paying off your mortgage or just giving yourself financial peace of mind. Comment One Life or text One Life to 9104-476508, and I'll personally reach out today to walk you through your options. Don't forget to scan the barcode to get started today. Protect your health, protect your future. You deserve both. Here are some examples of critical illnesses: chronic illnesses, long-term and progressive, and terminal illnesses, life expectancy less than 12 to 24 months depending on policy. Critical illnesses, sudden and severe: heart attack, stroke, cancer, breast, prostate, lung, colon, etc. Coronary artery bypass surgery, major organ transplant, heart, liver, lungs, kidneys, pancreas, kidney failure, end-stage renal disease, paralysis, quadriplegia, paraplegia, severe burns, covering a large percent of the body, blindness, loss of sight, deafness, loss of hearing, loss of speech, chronic illnesses, long-term and progressive, Alzheimer's disease and other dementias, Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, MS, ALS, Lou Gehrig's disease, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, severe asthma, rheumatoid arthritis, advanced cases, lupus, systemic lupus, erythematosus with major organ involvement, chronic heart failure, chronic kidney disease requiring dialysis, osteoporosis with severe fractures, neuropathy, leading to daily care dependence, terminal illnesses, life expectancy less than 12 to 24 months, depending on policy, stage 4 cancers, metastatic or treatment resistant, end-stage heart disease, congestive heart failure, end-stage kidney disease, end-stage liver disease, cirrhosis, hepatic failure, advanced ALS, Lou Gehrig's disease, advanced pulmonary disease, respiratory failure, severe COPD, progressive neurodegenerative disorders, late-stage Parkinson's, Huntington's, etc. The key message: no one has to die for benefits to pay out. With living benefits, your policy can give you cash in hand while you're still alive, often within days, to cover medical bills, replace income, and keep your family secure.
I want you to ask yourself these questions. 1. Shifting the financial mindset. If life insurance didn't cost a thing, how much would you need? Let's put cost aside for a moment. If you could have any amount of coverage for free, how much would you need to make sure your family is completely taken care of? 2. Educating and understanding. What is your understanding of life insurance and how it works? In your own words, what does life insurance mean to you? 3. Highlighting financial responsibilities. What financial responsibilities would your loved ones be left with if you were gone tomorrow? Let's think about the what ifs. If you were no longer here, what financial responsibilities, like a mortgage or future college costs, would your loved ones need to handle? 4. Determining coverage duration. How long would your family need financial support if you were no longer here? How many years of financial support do you think your family would need to feel secure if you weren't there to provide for them? 5. Introducing living benefits. If you became sick or injured and couldn't work, what would the financial impact be? Beyond just death benefits, have you ever considered how a life insurance policy could help you and your family financially if you became seriously ill or injured and couldn't work? 6. Tapping into legacy planning. What would you want life insurance to do for your family beyond just replacing your income? If we could set up a plan to do more than just replace your income, what bigger goals would you want to achieve for your family, like paying off the house or securing their education? 7. Reviewing existing coverage. Do you currently have any life insurance? Do you know what it covers and what it doesn't? Do you have any life insurance right now? If so, have you had a chance to look at what it covers and, just as importantly, what it might be missing? 8. Quantifying the unpreparedness. If you passed away tomorrow, how long would it take your family to recover financially? If something were to happen unexpectedly, how long do you think it would take your family to get back on their feet financially? 9. Identifying affected parties. Who would be financially affected by your passing and in what ways? Who in your life would be financially impacted if you were no longer here, and what would that impact look like for them? 10. The ultimate gut check. If you knew for sure something would happen to you tomorrow, would you feel confident in your current plan? Let's imagine for a moment you knew for certain something would happen tomorrow. Would you feel completely confident that your family is financially protected right now?